Severe tropical cyclone Ilsa crossed the Pilbara coast late last night with destructive wind and very heavy rain. Let's check out what happened during the crossing, starting with a look at Thursday morning. At that time, this was the location of Ilsa as a Category 4 storm just off the northern coast there and west of Broome. Through the course of the day on Thursday, Ilsa moved southwards, intensifying as it did so, and it became a Category 5 storm yesterday evening. That's the top of the scale. That is as high as they come. Category 5 is the very strongest rating for tropical cyclones. It was a Category 5 storm as it crossed the coastline around about midnight local time. Since then, through Friday, Ilsa has maintained its tropical cyclone categorisation. It is now a Category 3 storm near Telfer and forecast to continue to move southeastward. So that's the track, but how did that play out on the satellite imagery? Let's bring that up on screen here. The key thing we're looking for on the satellite is the eye of the tropical cyclone. That's this little dot here right in the middle, and that is surrounded by destructive winds whirring around the centre, and we also have very, very heavy rain around the centre of the storm too. Ilsa maintained its eye as it crossed the coast near Purdue Roadhouse around about midnight local time, and Ilsa continued to carry on with an eye for the next several hours, even as it moved inland. Through the last few hours of Friday morning, we have seen Ilsa start to weaken and start to lose a bit of its formation, and the eye has since disappeared. As Ilsa did cross the coastline, it brought some very significant weather with it. Let's check out some of the observations, starting with the wind. And we had some extraordinarily strong wind gusts through the course of yesterday evening and overnight, the strongest of which 289 kilometres an hour. Tell you what, might have got even stronger than this as well, because we did lose touch with the weather station shortly after that. It wasn't just the wind. We had some large rainfall experienced across parts of the Pilbara region. The largest 24-hour total up to 9 a.m. this morning, 195 millimetres. We're not done with this system yet. We're going to go back to the map and see. Tropical Cyclone Ilsa is forecast to continue to move eastwards over the course of the rest of Friday and into Saturday morning too, bringing further destructive wind and heavy rain to large parts of interior WA before crossing the border and bringing some rain into NT through Saturday as well. It is important to stay up to date with the latest forecast information, and you can do that through the Bureau website and app, and as per usual, always follow all advice from your local emergency services.